Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. This is the first part of the WordPress deployment on AWS Cloud series. These are the next part of the series. In today's video, we will be creating AWS account from scratch, set up budget and set up multi-factor authentication called MFA. Let's start by searching AWS on search bar. Open first URL, which is aws.amazon.com. AWS offers free tier for new accounts, which will be valid for 12 months. So you will be getting all the services free up to some extent for a year. Some of the benefits are EC2 micro instance, free hours, 5 GB worth of S3 storage, IODS for database hosting, and bunch of other free tier services you can check on the homepage. Click on Create an AWS account button to start creating AWS account. Enter your email address here and name of the account and click on Verify email address. Enter the code which you will receive on your email and click on Verify. Enter password for your account. Select purpose of the account. I will just select business here. Enter your full name. I will just say AWS Ninjas. Please enter your details correctly here. Select country code and enter your mobile number here. Select your country. Type in your address. Select box and click continue. On this step, enter your credit card details and page will redirect you to your bank page for completing your transaction. AWS will charge you a nominal amount which will they refund later. This is just to verify your payment method. Once that's done, select your identity which entered previously and select proper field for your business. If asked, do enter your tax information and click on continue. Here you have to verify your mobile number via SMS or voice call. I will just select SMS, select my country code and enter my mobile number real quick and enter code on CAPTCHA. Click on send SMS. Enter code received on your SMS here to verify your mobile number. At the end, you have to select support plan. AWS offers basic, developer and business support plan. We will select basic, which is free, and click on complete sign up. Well, that's it. You have successfully signed up for AWS account. Let's explore management console real quick. It's okay to skip this. We will just gonna click on sign in to the console. This is AWS management console. Here's your region. Go ahead and select a region where you want to create your architecture. I will select North Virginia. Here you will see settings related to your AWS account and sign out button. Here you will see recently used services. Let's check on EC2 to see if you are able to access the service or not. If you see any errors, you probably have to wait an hour or so till AWS verifies your account. If you are seeing this screen, then you are good to go. Here we can see EC2 as recently used service as shortcut. Now to make sure you don't incur unexpected cost, let's set up budget. Click on profile and go to billing and cost management. On the left hand side, you will see budgets. Click on create budget. You can use customize or use a template. We will go with the simplified template. Select monthly cost budget. We will go with default name and modify amount to $10. Enter email address to which you would like to receive notifications about a budget threshold and create budget. Here, your budget is created. Currently status is okay, budget amount and amount used. After some time, you will see forecast information here as well. Click on the name to see other details. It will take 24 hours to show all the information. We will see alerts created inside of the budget. You will get email notification when cost is greater than 85%, forecast is greater than 100% of your budget, and third alert when actual cost is greater than 100%, which is when $10 budget is exceeded. Next, we will set up multi-factor authentication for our AWS account to add extra layer of the security when we logs in. Search IAM and click on first service here on the IAM dashboard. You can see AWS is recommending to add MFA to the account as security measure. Click on MFA, enter device name to distinguish profile letter. I will just type AWS Ninja and select authentication app. Install compatible app on your device and scan this QR code and enter 2 consecutive MFA codes and click on add MFA. Here under MFA, you can see MFA device register and related options to remove, resync, and option to register another MFA device. That's it for this video, where we covered the essentials of creating an AWS account, setting up a budget, and adding an extra layer of security with multi-factor authentication. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe. It's free for you guys, but it helps us a lot and motivate us to create free useful content. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to drop them in the comment box section below. See you guys on the next part of our WordPress deployment on AWS series. Until then, happy cloud computing.